Today we started with a new topic, that is poultry diseases. So the first poultry disease, it is the Ranikhet. The first poultry disease is the Ranikhet. This disease is also known as Malmoni, or the disease is also known as Newcastle disease. So the Ranikhet disease is also known as Malmoni or Newcastle disease. So this disease, Ranikhet disease, is the acute. Acute means with the short terms and with the very severe symptoms with the acute, and with the highly contagious. The disease is acute, highly contagious, and with the most dangerous with the viral disease of the poultry. So this is the acute, highly contagious, and is the most dangerous is the viral disease of the poultry. These are all bird species. So this disease is the one of the most infectious poultry disease in the world. Infectious means that the disease may be caused by the pathogenic organism. So this is the one of the most infectious disease in the world. The disease causes the heavy economic loss. The disease causes the heavy economic loss to the poultry industry due to the high mortality. Mortality means that the heavy economic to mortality. High mortality means that the death rate. That is the death rate of the Ranikhet is about the 50 to 90% birds may be the death. So this is the most dangerous, this is the viral disease of the poultry. So because it causes the heavy economic loss due to the high mortality, that is about the 50 to 90% is the mortality or the death rates. So after the cause, the disease is caused by the virus. The name of the virus is the Paramaxovirus. The disease is caused by the virus, that is the Paramaxovirus. After cause, next is the transmission. So disease may be spread by the infested water, feed, or air. The disease may be spread by the infested water, air, or the infested with the feeds. So after the transmissions, next is the symptoms. The birds is suffering from the disease, the Ranikhet or the Malmoni, having the symptoms. The first symptoms is the birds becomes depressed. There is the depression in the birds. Second symptoms is the reduced appetite. Appetites means that reduced in the feed consumption. Reduced in the appetites. Next is the major symptoms of this is the greenish watery diarrhea. Diarrhea means there is the dysentery. So the major symptoms is the greenish watery diarrhea. So the second is the major symptom after the bird suffering with the paralysis may be occur. So the paralysis of one or both legs. So the major symptoms is the paralysis of the one or both legs are the major. Again, the major symptoms is the Ranikhet. So this is also known as the Malmoni. So the malmodi means there is the twisting of neck. Purna मान बघा this is also known as the malmodi. So the twisting of neck. So it is called as the twisting of neck. It is called as the torticollis. So that is the twisting of the neck. So the symptoms is the twisting of neck, and the major symptoms is the difficult breathing. So again, the major symptoms of the difficult breathing means it is the difficult for the respirations. That is known as the gasping. So gasping means that the difficult breathings or the difficult respiration. Next symptoms is the nasal discharge. Next symptoms is the ruffled feathers. बघा आपण मराठी ruffled feathers पूर्ण पंख आपण अस्ताव्यस्त पंख आपण the ruffled feathers. Next is in case of the decrease in the egg production is also the decrease in the egg productions, and lastly is the finally death may be occurs of the bird within the 3 to 4 days. So these are the symptoms of the death may be in severe cases. The birds may be dead within the 3 to 4 days. So these are the major symptoms of the malmodi. There is the greenish watery diarrhea, paralysis of both one or both legs, twisting of neck, that is the torticollis means, and there is the difficult breathing, that is the gasping. So there are the major symptoms of the ranikhet or the malmodi disease. So after the symptoms, next is the control measures. Control measures of the ranikhet disease. So the control measures means that the prevention of the disease. Control measure. First is the control measure, isolation and treatment. So the first symptoms, control measures is the isolations means the separations. Where there is a particular poultry farm, birds is suffering from disease, so the birds may be isolated or separate. Isolation and treatments of the affected birds. Next is the second, the disinfections. So the disinfections of the poultry house should be done. So that this poultry house should be disinfected with the help of the certain insecticides for the disinfections. Next is the proper sterilizations of poultry equipments. So the sterilization is most important. The equipments which are used for the poultry, these equipments should be properly sterilized. So the proper sterilizations of the poultry equipments. Next is the restrict the entry of visitors. So restrict the entry of visitors. So some that the zoonotic diseases which are transmitted from the man to birds or birds to man. So these the restrictions of the visitors should be done. So the next the symptom is the restrict the entry of visitors. Next is the depopulation of site. Depopulation. So is the of site. बघा आपण पोल्ट्री फार्म सिटी मध्ये नसते, पूर्ण सिटीच्या बाहेर पर्टिक्युलर. So the poultry birds should be located. So located at the depopulations of the site. Next is the disposal of dead birds. Disposal of the dead birds by there are two methods of disposal. That is the burial methods or burning. बघा म्हणतो आपण डिसीज म्हणतो आपण एखादा बर्ड्स आपला डेड झाला आणि आपण कंपाउंडच्या बाहेर टाकला, व्हायरस may again come. So this is the proper disposal of the dead birds by the burial methods or the burning methods. Next control measure is the avoid the overcrowding of the birds. Avoid overcrowding. The capacity पेक्षा आपण जर म्हणतो आपल्याला avoid overcrowding of the birds, and the lastly the vaccination should be done by the every year. So the vaccination should be done for the prevention of the disease. So these are the proper the control measures for the prevention of the Ranicate disease. So the Ranicate disease is the most dangerous, is the viral disease because it is the infectious and it causes the heavy mortality. That the death rate would in the 3 to 4 years. So after the control measures, next is the treatments. Treatments of the Ranicate disease. So in the Ranicate or the Marmot disease, there is no specific treatments. So there is no specific treatment for the disease. However, broadly, antibiotics should be given to check the secondary bacterial infection. So in Ranicate, there is no specific treatments, but however, the antibiotics should be given to check the secondary bacterial infection, and the treatments for the vitamin supplementation should be done. So the vitamin supplementation should be done. So the vitamin should be done in the liquid. The example vitamin is the mineral liquids. So these should be given at the mineral liquids should be given at the 2 ml per liter of drinking water. So these vitamins should be supplied in the waters. The example is the mineral liquid at the rate of the 2 ml per liter of the drinking. So the treatment, specific treatment names the antibiotics should be given. So after that, the last is the vaccinations. Along with the vaccinations, the vaccination is the use of the Lasota vaccine. So the Lasota vaccine for the Ranicate disease is the use of the Lasota vaccines. That is about the Lasota vaccine should be given at the rate of the 1 drop. The vaccine should be given at the 1 drop each eye or nostrils in the first week of life. So the Lasota vaccine should be given at the rate of 1 drop of each eye or nostrils in the first week of life, and this is the use. This is the vaccine is the Lasota. Second vaccine is the R2B, is the Mukteshwar vaccine. This is also the R2B, is the Mukteshwar vaccine should be given at the rate of the 0.5 ml. Lasota vaccine is the 1 drop in each eye or nostril, and the Mukteshwar vaccine at the rate of the 0.5 ml in the intramuscular at the 8th and 18th week of life. मग आपण 8व्या आणि 18व्या आपल्याला आठवड्यामध्ये these the vaccine should be given in the intramuscular. So the first disease is the Ranicate, or it is also known as the Marmot, or it is also known as the Newcastle disease. So major symptoms, प्रत्येक disease चे particularly major symptoms is the introductions, cause, transmissions, symptoms, control measures, treatments, and the vaccination. So the first today we completed the first disease, that is the Ranicate or Marmot. Tomorrow we start with the second disease, that is the coccidiosis. Thank you.